Mechcon Welding and Fabrication was formed in 2004. Over that time we have been involved in countless high-profile engineering projects across Melbourne and Victoria. Mechcon offers steel fabrication and installation to the highest level of specification and design. We work closely with the guidelines from the Australia Steel Association. We have segmented our services to the following areas of expertise: steel fabrication, handrails, balustrades, roof plant platforms, and pressure pipe fabrication. At Mechcon, we specialise in structural steel fabrication and installation in Melbourne and Victoria wide, offering a start-to-finish solution which includes in-house shop drawings, on and off-site steel and stainless steel welding and erection. Mechcon's core objective with all projects we conduct, no matter how small or large, is to always strive to ensure we deliver the best product on time and on budget for the clients we work with. For friendly advice and a free quote, contact us now. We look forward to hearing from you.